Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen Optic Armor case here with MagFit for the iPhone 15 Pro. Now this is so far the most expensive Spigen case that I've reviewed so far for the 15 Pro. This comes in at $26.99. This is the Abyss green color. I had to try something a little bit different than just black or something like that, but looking at it from different angles, kind of looks gray, kind of looks black, so it's kind of a cool color. But yeah, let's check it out here. So obviously with the optic armor, the star of the show is the sliding ability there to open up and cover your actual camera bump there. Now with the back here, you can see the kind of the different look there, which we'll talk about once we have the actual phone in the case. But looking at the interior, you can see we have the MagSafe magnets here. We do have the air cushion technology in the corners, and you can see where it says air cushion technology as well. Looks like there's some sort of branding or something there, like a serial number. But yeah, nothing too crazy in the interior. You know, obviously we got, pretty decent drop protection with this phone case. So let's slap this bad boy on. Let's see what we got here. All right, so let's pop it in. Pretty simple install there. And there we go. Looks pretty good. Kind of like this color. A little different. Let me know down in the comments what you think. But in person, looks pretty nice. I like it. Now the back here is really nice. It has this really nice texture to it. The sides are a little bit more smoother, but this back definitely has a little bit of a grain to it. The Spigen logo there, high gloss when you hit it with different light. We do have a little bit different material up here that's a little bit more shinier and smooth. That ribbed interior there. And then, like I said, there's a little bit of a raised part here where you can kind of get your fingernail on and then flip that out. And then there we go. Now you got your camera exposed. But like I said, it's really just to help be able to protect it if you want to, protect your camera if you're out and about or something. The only thing I don't like is like my gripe last time. It's this part here sticking out. Is it the end of the world? No, but there are other cases that do something similar that don't go out and it literally just stops, stops right there. Now it is going to be difficult with how big the camera bump is, but there is ways I'm sure that they could get creative from Spigen to do that, but is what it is. I like the concept though, regardless. And as you can see there, the sides, you can kind of see how that bleeds over a little bit, but our power button there and nicely raised. And then as we move to the bottom, nice and smooth rounded corners there. And then we do have our USB-C charging port there, as you can see. So nice and cut out for the speakers as well. And then looking here at this side, we do got our volume up and down and our action button. So that's the look there. And that kind of goes around the action button. And then nothing too crazy going up the top either. So that's the look there. Now, if we're looking at the front, as you can see here, we do have some nice raised lips around the screen. So we're definitely getting some decent screen protection with it. And if you look at it from the top-down view, you can kind of see that it's not super, super thick, but it's not super, super thin either. So now let's go ahead and do the actual wobble test. So face down, we are good. And back down, not so good. So even on the sides here, we're getting some shaking going on. And that's going to kind of be expected with this type of, extraness that's going on here. So we got this raised part here for kind of the rail where it slides through. And even when it's open, kind of the same thing. So it's still going to be a shaky mess regardless, but I mean, it is what it is. So now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's see how responsive these buttons are. So power button, pretty good. And the volume up, volume down buttons, very tactile and responsive. And then we got our action button here, pretty tactile as well. So yeah, no issues at all there. So now let's go ahead and do the MagSafe charging test. So got my mouse MagSafe charger here. We'll slap it on. And as you can see, MagSafe charging compatible. So with the MagFit magnets back there, we do get some decent strength here. Now I could push it off eventually, and that's just really more of a kind of knock on this, because it doesn't just really have super strong strength to it, unlike, like, say for example the factory one, for example. But it does the job. But if you have any MagSafe accessories in your vehicle, then you're good to go. So there we have it, guys. There's the Optic Armor. So if you're someone that does care enough to use something like this, then this case is for you. I personally don't see myself really using this case much. Maybe if like I said, I was doing something that involved like something very rugged and I wanted to make sure my camera lenses were protected, then obviously this is a no-brainer case. So if maybe you're in like construction, or maybe you're just, I don't know, rough on your phones, then this might be something that you would consider, because you do get decent drop protection and you're getting very decent camera lens protection. So there we have it, guys. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.